Here at Baong National High School, there are some major problems students and even teachers are facing. In recent years, the issue of having a comfort room in each classroom or even in school buildings has become increasingly prominent. According to DepEd's guidelines on school facilities, every school should provide adequate and well-maintained comfort rooms to ensure the health, safety, and dignity of students. But some students and even teachers are having difficulty to use a comfort room in their building.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning. Magamit ka sa CR or sa CR na hugaw sa building.
Ano naman, ma'am?
Naman ka kayo. Gusto ko mo ihit. Di man ko ihit.
Ba?
Unsa may mong gabuhaton ng pag wala gid kay makita na pag wala gid kay makita dili gid ka ganahan nga manghingi sa CR sa inyong building tungod sa kahugaw at kabaho.
Kanina lang ko sa grade 7 building. Kasi may tubig.
Na lang namin umuwi ng CR kasi mga bad students na hindi ka balutin, hindi ka balutin ka na malulis mga hindi ka balutin. Basura, sinipot others dito sa need na punsad sa makalulit
Tubig kung kanang wala gid, ma'am.
kung wala, mangihim sa likod. Usahay,